Welcome back. So in this session, let's understand how we can disable a resource temporarily, obviously. Let's say I will use the same Apache file. Let's say I'm doing some changes in the conf file, right? I'm doing some changes in the conf file, but I'm not sure whether these changes will be applied actually in the production or not. And the server is already running with the old configuration. And then I have done some changes in my conf file. Now my concern is if I will apply this, then obviously it's going to override the actual working file. I don't want that. I want, fine, I have done the changes, but it should not be applied. It should be disabled temporarily unless I got a green signal that yes, these changes should be applied. So what I can do, I can use the no op meta parameter. No operation. No operation means it's a kind of a dry run. So what I do, I'll just go here. In any resource you can do it, no op true, that's it. So it's a kind of a dry run. That means this will not be applied. So if I do the changes here, let me show you the current conf file at httpd conf http.conf. This is the file. Now what I will do, I will remove this line from the source file, but it will not be applied. So I open my httpd.conf file, I remove this line. So I had tweaked some changes, but I'm not sure whether these changes should be applied or not. And to avoid that situation where I might be in a mess, I had written it here, I had disabled the resource as no op true. So if I apply this, you will see puppet, let me check the syntax. Perfect. Puppet apply apache config.pp. You will get a message here. See, no op. This is changed, but because of no op, it's not going to be applied. And it would have triggered. Would have. So means my file will not change. It will still be the actual conf file will be having this line which I have removed. So this is already there. So this is how you can do temporarily disable kind of a resource, and any point of time you want to apply it. If you have got a green node, just remove this line or make it comment. That's all. So if I comment it out and will run it again, it will be applied this time and will automatically trigger the refresh of the service. See, content change, it has triggered the refresh. So, and if I open my httpd conf httpd.conf, the line is gone, which is what I intended. So no op can be very useful when you are testing something but not sure that whether these changes will be applied or not. So now let's do one more thing. How can I audit the resources? Auditing means what? So auditing will update you if anything has changed there, like the permissions or anything. Let's see, the file is there. I'll show you. Let's say the file is there. Let's see httpd conf http.conf. So file has got certain permissions, certain owners. Fine, somebody might have changed the permission, might have changed the owner group. I want to track of all these things, that these things, if any of these things changes, fine, the contents are not changed, but someone has changed the permission. So what I can do, I can use the audit resource type. So I'll just show it to you. So what I do, I open this, and here, say in this file, I write audit. And what are the attributes you want to audit? I say owner and mode. That means if someone changes the owner and the mode, the the Puppet admin should be specified. Now see it. I'll save it here. I check the syntax. Okay, I had directly run it. No problem. See, audit is depreciated, no problem. It will be ignored in the future release, but it's working. See, it has recorded the owner, UID 0, and the permission is this. That's great. Now, so what's the big deal? So if I change it, say I do chmod 666, sorry, 666 to etc httpd httpd.conf, and if I run it again, puppet apply, when the puppet will run again, it will show you that the recorded values have changed. So in this manner, you will be able to find out any attributes of the file that is changed. And in case you want to audit everything, not only owner and the mode, so just simply write here, instead of audit owner and mode, I'll just add it in another line, just write edit audit all, that's all. So it's going to check every attribute which is related to that particular resource. So if I save and come out, I'll show it to you. I'll apply it again. You will find it will record your SE Linux values and all the things. See, creation time, SE Linux, write, type, group, target, contents, everything is being audited. So any change there and you will be updated. This is very important from a Puppet admin perspective. Thank you very much for this session.